an idea into a solution that adds value from a customer's perspective is called innovation. Innovation is important to the advancement of society as it solves many social problems. These new technologies, products, and services simultaneously meet a social need and lead to improved capabilities and better use of assets and resources. Innovation is the key to success and towards a sustainable employability. But how do we go about it? How do we implement it? Are there enough opportunities, especially with educational institutes and students where innovation and learning is a must? To understand the ideation and execution of innovation, we have with us one of Pune's esteemed engineering college principals, Dr. Vijay Vadai from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering.
I am Dr. Vijay Vadai, Principal of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. This is last 32 years I am serving into this particular role as an academician, an academic leader, administrative leader, leadership into the research innovations field. My main forte is to ensure that all the students community get the right kind of the path. They should find that yes, they have earned something as a lifelong learning perspective point of view, not only as a technological perspective. So it is our sincere duty to give the technological knowledge if as a engineering students is concerned. But apart from that, we have to inculcate the culture which should nurture that they are as a human. So our forte is for the holistic development of the student.
Dr. Vadai is known for his initiative and ideation of building an innovation and incubation center throughout his 33-year-old career, which stands completely free of cost for students. His belief has been that students or any individual can only learn once they've had an hands-on experience. Let's hear what Dr. Vadai himself has to share.
Whenever we are thinking about the research, innovations, development, entrepreneurship, as well as fostering this kind of the culture into the students, unless and until there is a innovations component along with the research component is not there included into our regular teaching, learning, pedagogies and practices, the students will not get that kind of the experiential learning if the innovation component is not there. And that is why we have taken the initiative to start the Research Innovations Center in collaboration with the CII as well as into the MHRD. So these are the MHRD's initiative, and we have started the 10 Center of Excellence to foster these innovations.
Dr. Vadai has always made sure about investing resources into innovation centers at every institute he was a part of.
Hi, I'm Akshita. I'm PhD student under respected Dr. Vadai sir. We all meet many people, but there are very few who inspires us and makes difference in our life. Sir is quite enthusiastic about technology and how technology could help people. So this led my foundation for Sir Research, Development and Innovation in Healthcare domain.
Because of his support and guidance, I have participated in different competitions such as hackathon which are organized by TechGeek and Microsoft Skillenza and won the first prize. Thank you, sir.
Innovation Cell, which got developed at D.Y. Patil College of Engineering under the leadership of Dr. Vijay Vadai sir. That cell gives a good platform to the faculty members and the students to come up with their innovative ideas. The cell supports those ideas further to come in reality.
We are grateful of Principal Dr. Vijay Vadai sir and Vice Principal Dr. Mrs. P. Malati Madam for their guidance and motivations to strengthen industry-institute interaction. This center is functional since last 5 years. The world's leading automation company Emerson Automation has signed MOU to establish Center of Excellence.
we need not have to invest in as far as this establishing the center, but the funding which was given the software worth of rupees 80 lakhs. So as per the Virtusa Center of Excellence is concerned. Similarly, Intel Incorporation I have mentioned as far as this IoT center is concerned. Whole setup has been given by the Intel Incorporation's Canada. So,
Showing immense enthusiasm and interest are a number of firms, businesses, and institutes that are happily a part of this initiative by Dr. Vadhai and his team of educators, helping them execute this project better through their CSR activities.
as far as this training activity, skilling activity, reskilling activity is concerned, and grooming them into the specialized software, for example, automation software, automation anywhere software, where the boards are created. Around approximately 450 students have been trained here, as far as my Virtusa Center of Excellence is concerned. When you go to the Hackerzara, as far as the cyber security is concerned, around 250 students were trained by the Hackerzara company.
An absolute need of the hour to have leaders like Dr. Vijay Vadai.
My message to the society is there. Anyway, we are leading our life for the success. The success will come only when we are really supporting others' life. Hence, service beyond the self, as it is the punchline of the Rotary. I feel that you have to support this, you have to follow these guidelines, and you will find along with you the life of the many people will be elevated.
It's now time to inspire, motivate, progress, and succeed. And now you know the real story.
Jnana Dinam Jagat Sarvam. The whole world is under the control of the knowledge, and that's exactly the kind of the things what we are doing into our educational institutes.